Lovely. Oh, good way to start the day. Yeah, boys. Da iawn.
We play touch rugby now.
I would be on his side.
A fi hefyd.
We haven't played rugby yet.
Oh, no.
No.
Dim ond yn y coracles, really. Nath o'n neud super fel flying tackle. Yeah, nawn ni'n sortio fo i chi. Right, just checkio. Dych chi'n gwybod ystyrs? Do you know what you're singing about?
No.
No, I don't.
Dipyn bach. OK, nawn ni fynd drwy fe'n sydyn iawn. So, mae hen, beth ydi hen? Old. Gwlad, country. Fy nhadau, da iawn. So, old land of my fathers yn annwyl I mi. Ie. Pan dych chi'n ysgrifennu llythyr, dych chi'n dweud Annwyl John. Yeah, annwyl dydyn nhw. Yn union. So, mae hen wlad yn hadau'n annwyl I mi is dear to me. Oh, I'm all out of breath because I'm excited. Bach yn hormones yn y bore, clywech chi'n canu, o'n I fel, my babies are singing already. My other babies, babi yma. A fe fel, hen wlad yn hadau. Gwlad beirdd? Beth ydy beirdd? Bad, fel poets yn de, beirdd. A chontorion. Enwogion, da iawn. So famous ydy enwog. Enwogion, famous is literally, famous people. Iawn, so plural. Ofri, of great honour. Yeah. Ofri, yeah, fel of, you know, of great kind of standing, stature and union.
Because I always thought that it was the land of song and poetry, famous to me.
To me, no, not fi, no, yeah, ofri, yeah. Ein gwrol. Now, yeah, gwr is the word for husband or like a man. Gwrol is fel very gwrol, masculine, Alfie male.
I'm in the anthem.
It was made for you.
100 caps, I'm in the anthem.
Ein gwrol ryfelwyr. Rhyfel byd cyntaf? Ail rhyfel byd? Rhyfel byd. Beth ydy bydysawd? Da iawn, so bydysawd universe, byd, world. So rhyfel byd? Rhyfel, war. So, ein gwrol ryfelwyr. Beth wnaeth Dewi Pws alwch chi neithiwr? What did Dewi Pws call you last night?
Warriors.
Lingo warriors. Rhyfelwyr dros yr iaith. Yeah, rhyfelwyr, warriors. So our
manly
warriors, our beefy warriors, yeah. Oh, I like one of them.
I like a manly warrior.
Like a Alfie.
Would like to meet manly warrior. Manly Welsh warrior.
Oh, yeah.
To me.
David.
David. Gwlad garwyr. Beth ydy gwlad garwyr?
Gwlad is a country.
Gwlad is country. Beth ydy caru? Love. Carwyr lovers, iawn. So, country lovers, patriots, yeah? Gwlad garwyr, country lovers. Mae'n neis, ynddi? Tramad, while we're alive. As long as we live, we'll be country lovers, patriots, iawn? Dros ryddid.
Rhyddhau.
Release.
Da iawn, na, tebyg iawn. Mae'n dod o'r un kind of the same stem, but freedom. So to release is freedom. Da iawn. Ryddhau.
Yeah,
Yeah, da. You are brilliant at word association, mae'n ffantastig. Dros ryddid, yeah. Literally, for freedom, or over freedom, you know, over the pledge of freedom. Colli. Colli, da iawn. Collasant, they lost a gwaed. Gwaed? Blood, da iawn. Da iawn.
Dau Botcher.
Ei, gwaed. Mae dau Botcher ar dan bore yma. On fire bore yma. Right, felly, so, O land of my fathers is dear to me, land of poets and singers, famous people of great stature, our beefy warriors, patriots, as long as we're alive, as long as we're alive, until we die. Over freedom, for freedom they lost their blood. Wedyn, glad, country. Pleidiol. I pledge, da iawn, to pledge. I pledge myself to my country. Gwrandewch ar hwn. Tramor yn fyr i'r byr hoff bai. Mae'n neis, yn dydi? Tramor yn fyr i'r byr hoff bai. So, môr lader, sea. While the sea is a myr, fel wal, da iawn, as a wall, i'r byr, calon on as can, Pugh, da iawn. Hoff bai. Bai is like an old Welsh word for like a place or a country, yeah, like a place. So while the sea is a wall for our, you know, kind of protects mewn ffordd, because it surrounds us, to our favourite pure country. O bydded, oh, this is what makes me cry. O bydded i'r hen iaith.
Old language.
O bydded, let the old language parhau, live on.
Yeah. Through us.
Through you.
As 8, as 9, 10. We're the only ones who are going to keep this land. Go forth and multiply.
Bydded i'r hen iaith parhau. There are times when we think we could be the ones killing it off, but hey. Rhai. Okay. Felly, rwan bod chi'n gwybod yr ystyr, nawn ni ganu unwaith eto, ie?
Yeah?
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Mae hen wlad fy nhadau yn anwyli mi, gwlad beirdd a chantorion, enwogion o fri. Ein gwrol ryfelwyr, gwlad garwyr tramad, dros ryddid coll a sant, ei gwaed. Gwlad, plaidiol wyf i'm gwlad, tramor yn fyr, i'r byr o fain, o baredd i'r hen iaith, barhau. Parry, go Alfie! Da iawn. Dechrau nice i'r diwrnod. Can't beat a good sing-song, bit of patriotism and a good cry. Come on, what does a lady, what more does a pregnant lady need? Right te. Okay, dwi'n meddwl, ar ôl hynna, I think it's time to talk to the wall. Dych chi? Syniad da. Felly, newch chi ystyn eich sgript os gwelwch yn dda. Right. Beth dwi eisiau chi wneud ydy ffeindio darn o'r wal, a really nice piece of the wall. Fysa chi'n hoffi siarad gyda fe, right? A dwi eisiau chi ddarllen yn uchel iawn, ac yn ddramatic iawn. Felly, fel hyn. Siwmai, bore da! Mae'n flin da fi bo fi'n hwyr. Fi yw Ceri Gaiman Chones. iawn. Felly darllenwch y sgript o dudalen 1 i 6. 1 i 6. Gyda'r wal yn ddramatig iawn, achos mae'n bwysig i chi glywed eich hun, yourselves, yn siarad, iawn? So, digon o projection. Mae'r llais yn bownsio yn ôl oddi ar y wal, a defnyddiwch eich ceg. Pronounce every letter yn ddramatig iawn, iawn, iawn. Os ydych chi'n stuck gyda unrhyw air, any pronunciation, just edrychwch amdana i, I'll come round and see how you're doing. Felly, okay? Ond siarad yn uchel, mwyn i chi arfer, get used to hearing yourself yn siarad Cymraeg. Yn siarad, yeah. Dwi'n gallu siarad Cymraeg. Gyda'r wal, dim problem. Iawn? Ardderchog. Reit, ar eich traed at y wal. O'r gore. Reit ar ôl 3, fire away. 1, 2, 3. In your own time, you don't have to do it.
Ben rhyw caiba, what do I mean?
Enw lle, name of a place.
Oh, right. Oh, mae hi'n dod o Ben rhyw caiba, ac mae hi'n artist talentog iawn. Hi sydd wedi peinto i Myrlyniau?
Da iawn, myrlyniau.
Myrlyniau gwych. Dych chi'n gallu i gweld ym mhob rhan o gwesti.
Mae acen Alfie yn perffaith. Honestly, it's like you've been siarad Cymraeg since you were babi bach.
I wish I had.
Right, mae bocs o driciau gyda fi yma.
Dyma ni yr actorydd.
Frustrated, really terrible actress. Right Ooh. Mae llaw fawr gyda fi. Mae llaw fawr gyda fi. Neu bys, bys mawr. Bys. Mae bys Merian wedi brifo. Right, mae llaw fawr gyda fi. Helo. Mae wig. Mae wig gwyrdd gyda fi. Mae hael gyda fi. Beth arall sydd gyda fi?
You're in your comfort zone.
I've missed you.
Mae'n amser stori. Mae penguin gyda fi yn y bag.
Pingu.
Pingu, ti'n iawn.
Ydy pinguin CBB?
Ydy, S4C hefyd.
S4C?
Ydy.
Yn Cymraeg?
Ie.
DVD!
Portuguese, pingu.
Portuguese? Ydy o? Morlo. Reit, llo ydy buwch. Babi buwch. Llo, caff. Sea caff. Cute, ne? Morlo. Mae hael gyda fi, mae morlo gyda fi, mae llaw fawr gyda fi, mae wig gyda fi, neu gwallt. Wig, neu gwallt gwyrdd.
How am I going to remember that?
Yeah, mae'n anodd.
This is the tricky one.
Penguin gyda fi.
Wig and penguin. Have I flipped?
That's a good one.
Mae scarf gyda fi, neu boa. Mae... Mae teigr gyda fi.
Teigr yn dod i swper.
Teigr yn dod i swper.
I love that.
Tiger with the...
Wff, eich fi. Mae gwn gyda fi. Gwn. Mae stafell molchi gyda fi. Stafell molchi gyda fi. Does dim stafell molchi gyda chi yn y babell. Na, stafell molchi. Mae... mae... Oh, hello.
Ti'n beth yn camp gyda ti?
Mae hwn yn frustrating. Right. Mae llygaid, glas a gwyrdd gyda fi. Mae llygaid glas a gwyrdd gyda fi. Ie, ac Uncle Don fi hefyd.
Uncle Don?
Ie. Mae het biws gyda fi. Het biws. Piws, ie. Het biws. Piws. Mae het. Het arian gyda fi. Ac mae het air gyda fi. Beth ydi hwn? Cogydd, da iawn. Cogydd, get the cogs turning, da iawn. Mae cogydd gyda fi. Mae hippo gyda fi. Mae mochyn gyda fi. Ddim y mochyn.
Mostyn yw'n prif mochyn.
Mostyn y mochyn. Fod i'r prif mochyn. He's the daddy. Mae tŷ gyda fi. Mae tai gyda fi.
Dwi'n byw yn tai bach.
Wyt ti? Wrth gwrs. Tai bach.
Well,
Little houses.
basically, but...
Yeah, toilets. To think.
No.
Because they call, another word for a toilet is a tŷ bach, a little house, yeah? Ond, obviously, tŷ, tai. Tai-dai. Tai-dai, dai's houses, tai-dai.
What, have you just got all the towns?
Yeah.
Got a few towns and a few islands. Tai. Mae car heddlu gyda fi. Nina. Mae... beth ydi hwn? Cranc.
Cranc bryn, cranc corin.
Cranc corin, ti'n iawn. Mae cranc gyda fi.
Yeah, ill, isn't it? Crank and house. Crank and bar, yeah.
Mae gwallt oren gyda fi hefyd.
Neis iawn.
Neis iawn.
Orange wig.
That's mine.
Efo, hyfryd.
Nice.
Ac beth arall?
Trimmed.
Mae na. Mae corin gyda fi. Corin. Bob, mae llong, ship neu cwch. Boat, cwch. Mae cwch gyda fi.
Beth yw captain?
O Portugal. Portugeeg. Ar ferchog.
Beth yw captain?
Capten.
Captain Bob.
Felly, sut ydyn ni'n dweud, I am the famous film director. No, sorry. I am Ceri Gaiman Jones. Da iawn. The famous film director? Ardderchog. Sut ydyn ni'n dweud, I am Robert Pugh. The famous captain.
Captain Enwog.
Ardderchog. Captain Cwch, ti'n iawn, yeah. The boat captain. Hang on, I've gone all dead legs. Daliwch o!
Bosep, dŵr.
Tickle it out of there.
Dydy'r wipers ddim yn gweithio. I need new batteries. Sorry. No expense bit. Ddim yn gweithio. Ddim yn gweithio. Reit te, felly, oeddech chi'n clywed beth o'n i'n dweud? Sut o'n i'n dweud? I've got. I have. Da iawn, da iawn. Mae... Mae hippo gyda fi yn y bag. Mae llaw fawr gyda fi yn y bag. Mae cogydd gyda fi yn y bag. I've got. Neu, os ydych chi isio, to make it kind of more street Welsh, mwy naturiol, mae... Either, they're both correct. It's just the difference between saying I do not know and dunno. Dunno. It's like more, I've spoken Welsh forever. Mae het da fi. Yeah? So just mwy naturiol.
Would you still use that as a, as opposed to something my penguin to be? You say my pentos to be?
Perffaith. Perffaith. I've got anything you've got. My car da fi. Oh, my pen tost da fi. I've got a headache. Oh, my bola tost. Daf. Sut ydyn ni'n dweud, he's got a bola tost?
Da fi.
Da fe.
Bola tost, da fi.
Da iawn.
Bola stomach tost.
Tost, yeah. Anything that's tossed is sore, yeah? Da fe. Agorwch eich ffeils, tudalen 4, yna, edrychwch, look for the structure, edrychwch am y strwythur yma, tudalen 4, page 4 of your scripts, if I remember rightly, yeah. Chi'n gweld mae MA gyda fe mewn cemeg o Ie? O Brifysgol Bangor, da iawn. Ac mae PhD da fe mewn ffiseg cwantwm o Brifysgol Aberystwyth, iawn? Ie, dyn nhw. Dyn ni. Da chi. Dyn nhw. So, felly, so this is literally, so I've got, I know that's not very good English, you're supposed to say I have a large car, I've got a big car, yeah. So I've got, neu I have, iawn. Felly, mae da fi. You've got, iawn. Mae, oh, you've got a lovely wife, beth bynnag, iawn. Mae neis, neu hyfryd. Da ti. Yeah, chi'n cofio ti, you. Like, and remember we've got 2 versions of ti and chi, yeah, fel y Ffrangeg, tu and fu. So, chi. He's got my da fe. And she's got da hi. Da iawn. We've got da ni. Yeah, da ni. Na 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 na.
You know sewing songs.
Yeah. We got a song for a...
I've got...
Oh, yeah, like that.
I've got... Da fi. Da fi, I've got, yeah. I'm just doing this yn gyflym, but hwn sy'n bwysig am rwan, iawn? Da ni, da chi. And they've got... No, iawn, they've got. Okay, so whatever they've got, you just slot into there, iawn? If you know what I mean. Right te, felly, dwi eisiau I bawb ddewis eich prop, iawn? Ferch. Right te, sut da ni'n neud... Sut dyn ni'n neud fel the exclamation? Well, how lovely.
Sôn am hyfryd.
Da iawn. Sôn am hyfryd ar ddechrau. Felly, dych chi'n mynd i minglo, and you're going to boast, iawn? Dych chi'n mynd i ddweud, oh, mae spectol dy fi. Oh, sôn am hyfryd. Mae hippo dy fi. Oh, sôn am neis, neu sôn am lyflu, beth bynnag. Iawn? Ar ddechrau. Felly, minglo a siarad gyda'ch gilydd. Air. Het air.
Mae wig.
Da iawn.
Mae wig. Oh, what colour is it?
Haliw, ie. Gwyrdd.
Gwyrdd gyda fi, o da fi.
Oes rhywbeth arall?
Bys mawr.
Bys mawr, that's it. Mae bys mawr gyda fi.
O, sôn am hyfryd.
Diolch.
O, mae scarf pink gyda fi.
Sôn am hyfryd. Mae
Sôn am hyfryd.
Diolch.
Mae het arian dy fi.
Sôn am hyfryd.
Sôn am neis, ie. Beth yw hwnna?
Mae mor lo dy fi.
O, beth? No, I would ask you what it's called.
Gwan. O,
Beth enw i?
Okay. Les dos.
Sôn am hyfryd.
O, les.
Helo, sôn am hyfryd. Les dosn ydy.
Is it?
Yeah. Sôn am hyfryd.
Siamai.
Siamai unwaith eto.
Da iawn.
Sôn, beth yw sôn am hyfryd?
Sŵn,
Mae ystafell molchi gyda fi.
Na. Yn gwyn.
Ydw, yn gwyn.
I thought it was sounds. Oh, I thought it was.
Sôn am hyfryd.
Diolch.
O, fi'n licio gwas.
What do I have to say to you to ask you what that is?
I don't know. I just say.
Siamai.
Siamai. Sôn am mae cranc gyda fi. Felly, dwi'n mynd i doctor.
Sonam. But in this context, I mean.
Achos mae... Chi.
What is it? Sonam what?
is it sôn
Sôn am hyfryd.
Sonam. I thought Sonam
What
was.
does that mean, sôn am
What to
hyfryd?
talk about? No, talk about nice.
Oh, right. So it's a car, right.
It's an idiom.
If I want to ask you then, do I say beth ydw enw i?
Yeah, beth yn
Beth ydw enw i?
Yeah, his name.
Beth ydw enw i?
Calon dwym. Calon is hard. Lawr.
Ioan.
Lawr. Is it llaw?
Ioan.
Oh, sorry.
Siamai.
Llawr, I think. Llawr. Beth yw llaw?
Oed.
Lawr,
So
llawr.
we'll say beth oed.
Yeah.
Llawr, I
Beth
Da iawn.
oed. Fred.
Swimming.
Let's mingle.
Mae-
Berchog. Da iawn. Ac eifdeddwch. Reit, felly, mae da fi, oce? Mae babi da fi yn y môr. Da iawn. Mae babi arall da fi.
Faint y gloch ar y...
Faint y gloch? Mae bent. Faint y gloch? Mae babi arall da fi. Mae car.
Ydy mae babi bachgen neu ferch?
Dwi ddim yn gwybod.
Ti ddim yn gwybod?
Surprise.
O, mae...
Pedwar. Ie, dwy waith, twice. Bachgen. Ie, a fi. Surprise. Neis. Ie, dyna maen nhw'n dweud, ynddo?
Os mab, dy ti nawr?
Oes. Oes.
O enw...
Hedd.
Hydd!
Oh, meant to be.
Ie.
If it's a boy, if it's back.
No, mae mab,
Your son.
babi, bachgen,
Oh, yeah.
gyda fi, o'r enw Hedd. 2 oed, 2-year-old, o'r enw Hedd. Fel Hedd.
Things works out.
After you.
Beth yw enw y babi newydd?
Dwi ddim yn gwybod. Surprise.
Wynne.
Wynne.
Lovely.
Lowry Bowen. Dewi Llewellyn and
Alfie,
Rodriguez.
Wynne, Parry.
Syniad da. Robert, Alex, Alfie. Ac Osmer. Lucie, Lisa. Lisa Dai. Amser super.
Or if you have back in, you call it
Byddyd.
Buddig.
Biddig, yeah, biddig.
Buddig.
Really cock it up.
O'r gorau. Felly, I've got, iawn, anything. I've got beth bynnag, iawn. Wedyn, he or she's got, mae Dafydd a hi. Reit, felly, yn gyflym, bydda i yn taflu prop. Be sy gyda fe?
Mae
Dafydd neu gyda fe. Be sy gyda hi?
Mae
Da iawn, be sy gyda fe? Da iawn, be sy gyda fe? Da iawn. Be sy gyda fe? Da iawn. Be sy gyda hi? Da iawn, be sy gyda hi? Da iawn. Gwrandewch, môr leidr, ond morlo. Mae'n fyr.
So no...
Dim tŷ bach. Tŷ bach.
Iawn.
Dim to.
Morlo.
Môr, the sea. Môr leidr. Môr leidr. Pirate. Morlo.
Enw pentref bach Morlais.
Morlais. Yeah, well, llais is voice, but I'm sure it's not that.
The sea voice.
Voice of the sea.
Voice of the sea.
Falle. Morlo. Pan dych chi yn gweld to bach, little hat ar rhywbeth, mae'n hir, iawn. Felly,
Sea Benbro.
I'm trying to think of examples where it's into...
Arbwys near St David.
Mor. Mae o mor dda. It's so good. Galle fe ennill o leia un Oscar. Osnad mwy. Ardderchog.
Oh, you are pushing me today.
Mor. Compute. Mae mor dda. It's so good. Môr. Si. Chi'n gweld? Same word, ond gwrandewch. Mor dda. Môr. Hir, iawn.
Also, we had like the name Shan, but when we were singing, going up the shoulder, it was Shani.
Shani, dim to bach. Da iawn, ti'n iawn. Ond mae dau ar dan. Right, ffon, os ydych chi'n cerdded gyda ffon. Stick, ffon, cerdded gyda ffon. Ond, ar y ffôn. So mae'r het fach yn neud yn hir. Like a hen.
Here.
Iawn.
Hyfen ia.
O, hyfen ia. Ti'n iawn. Hyfen ia.
Ice cream.
Ia. Wahanol. It's like ie, but on yn y gogledd, yeah? So ydych chi'n gweld? Right, where did that come from, Rwanda?
Oh, well,
Morlo. Iawn.
Morlo.
Iawn.
Hogyn.
Da iawn. Be sydd gyda hi?
Mae
Hogyn gyda ni.
Ardderchog. Hapus? Hapus iawn. Da iawn. Reit te. Allech chi fynd i eistedd wrth y bwrdd A dyn ni'n mynd i wneud dipyn bach o waith llinellau, lines, putting them into order. Ydych chi wedi gwneud tudalen 3 a 4? Have you done page 3 a 4?
dim ond un a
1 a 2. So, na I roi 3 a 4 i chi. I'll give you 3 a 4.
Oh my God.
Ond,
Yeah.
please, os gai ofyn i chi, newch chi wneud yn siŵr bod 3 yn mynd nôl mewn i un amlen a 4 i'r amlen arall the other envelope. Or the next group that does this course will have a mare. They'll be like...
We don't care about the next. No. We don't care. I'm going to do it on purpose.
So rhowch nhw nôl yn yr...
Gai un
Mynd i
munud...
tŷ bach?
No,
Bola tost. Mae bola tost da fe.
un munud a darllen...
Oh,
tudalen...
Syniad da. A deud y gwir, nawn ni wneud e fel grŵp, ie?
Pamlau.
Right, the boys, tudalen 3. Gyda'r actions, iawn? Na. Yn naturiol, dwi eisiau defnyddio actorion gorau Cymru. Dyna pam dych chi yma. Chi yw dethol rai sydd wedi eich gwahodd I actio yn anthem Eirias. Croeso mawr I chi Gwersi Forest. Un o westau mwyaf moethus ein gwlad. Byddwn ni'n aros yma tra bod ni'n ffilmio gyfres ac mae'n lle bendigedig. Mae'r gwersi'n cael ei redeg gan deulu dymunol iawn. Y perchnogion yw Rheinald a Llegi Water. Pa hyfryd! Ac maen nhw'n weithio galed iawn bob dydd o fore gwyn tan nos. Maen nhw'n hoffi gweithio yn ei gwesti ac maen nhw wrth eu bod yn helpu eu holl gwestiwn. Yn gweithio yma hefyd mae ei plant a'i partneriaid. Dyma Ioan.
Shwma Ioan.
Mae'n 33 oed. Ac mae'n fachgen dymunol iawn. Mae'n fachgen clyfar iawn hefyd. Mae MSc gyda fe mewn Cymraeg o Brifysgol Bangor a PhD mewn ffiseg quantum o Brifysgol Aberystwyth. Now I understand MSc, wrth gwrs, dim Emma.
Point today, can't have an
Wrth gwrs. Da iawn. Da iawn. Serem. Reit te, hapus gyda partner newydd, ewch chi eistedd wrth y bwrdd.
I'm just putting them down here.
Croeso I dosbarth
Can we do-
Wynne a Winters.
Ydy yn posib I un link gyda Alex Winters yn dim yn weld straight I camera, ymlaen I camera.
But what's
You,
what's
you just...
Beth yn pub?
What?
What's pub in
Esgusodwch chi?
Pad.
Pardon.
Excuse me.
What do you want to say? Pardon.
That's why have you
Right.
farted? Have you farted?
Right, don't look at the camera now. Pretend it's not there. It's like The Office, this is.
Mewn Cymraeg.
Croeso I dosbarth Wynne a Winters.
Right.
So what are you doing over there?
Heddiw,
I've been
Dysgu
sort of
Cymraeg.
plonking
Right,
them
where are we here?
around a bit.
croeso
So the first
mawr
section is about the parents. And then
Is that there?
two talking about
Dunno,
the sons
but
and their children.
Oh no, big welcome to you. That's the bottom.
Yeah, so...
A dyma... okay, right. A dyna pam dich yma.
Oh, no, that's
So
further
the
down.
end of the top is the actors.
Dyma one came quite far down
So-
the sentence.
I wish to use
I wish to use Victoria and Gareth
Cymru.
Dyma
But I
Ioan,
don't
and
know
then
3 and 4.
No, that's a new
Like 1 and
section.
2.
We're still doing the pirate
I know
section,
what the
yeah.
film is. I know what
There's more of the pilot.
Yeah. They got...
Oh, they
they
help-
both, yeah.
Oh, they're like, yes.
Dwi eisiau defnyddio actorion.
What's the board?
But
beside themselves, they're really happy to help.
I hope
I
all the
thought
guests.
that is the kids helping out.
No, it's these, I'm sure it's Pa Hyfryd. They work their guts out for this place.
Yeah.
And these,
Yeah.
Ioan, he's all
They-
very well, he's off playing the
He's a
piano.
bit clever. Yeah.
He's going to be playing next week for us, if we're lucky, you know.
Yeah.
I like the parents, yeah.
Wel, pawb, oedd hwnna yn arferchog, gwych, penigamp. Felly pawb fel hyn. Da iawn fi. Da iawn fi. Pawb fel hyn. Da iawn ti. Da iawn ti. Ar ochr arall. Da iawn ti. Da iawn ti. Fel hyn. Da iawn ni. Da iawn ni. Ni, us, our knees, yeah? Da iawn ni. Da iawn ni. Da iawn ni. Da iawn. Well done us, well done us. Arferchog.
Welsh language tumour is pressing on my head.
Oh, the old Welsh language.
The old Welsh language tumour.
Pushing me either.
I'm looking forward to my bushcraft.
Reit te. Ydych chi'n gwybod dyddiau'r wythnos? Very light aside, days of the week. Fywyd, mae'n ddefnyddiol, useful, ie? Pryd wyt ti'n mynd i nofio? Pryd wyt ti'n mynd i dyn? Days of the week, right. Felly, dydd Llun. Dydd Llun. Now, this is very random, but it might help you remember them, ond falle ddim, yeah? So, Llun also means, without the dydd means day. Llun, oh, excuse me, it's nothing iawn. Ydy picture hefyd. Iawn? Llun. Dydd Mawrth. Dydd Mawrth. Mae'n swnio fel mouth. Yeah? Mouth.
Dydd Mawrth heddi.
Hynny.
Wynne.
Epiglottis, yeah?
Dydd Wynne. Did you say Dydd Wynne? Oh, what an ass.
Dydd Mercher.
Dydd Mercher.
And merch, what does merch mean?
Girl.
Da iawn. Complete sexist. We all wear bunches, fel Lucie, obviously.
And triangular
Dydd...
dresses.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah. And no arms.
Oh, yeah.
And feet.
Dydd Iau.
Dydd
Now,
Iau.
Iau also, in North Wales, means a liver.
A liver.
Which you...
Well,
You're also taking a battered wythnos yma.
That looks like my liver.
O enw Iau.
Iau?
Iau.
Dyna ydi ei henw hi?
Yeah,
That's her name?
yeah.
Mother-in-law?
Fy mam yng Nghyfraith.
Ei henw hi ydi Iau?
Iau.
Iau?
Iau.
What's she called liver?
Yeah.
Ydi o'n fer am rhywbeth? Is it shop
Na.
or something?
Na.
Oh,
Dim
hello
ond
Iau.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Iau.
It's like calling your child pancreas, isn't it?
Oh, is that a bad thing?
But there was
Wel, dwi erioed wedi clywed
there was
hynny.
the same
Wel,
pancreas.
dyma ni.
Neis.
There was
Iau.
a pancreas.
Iau. Reit te. Dydd Gwener. Dydd
Gwener.
And beth ydi Gwen?
Smile.
What do we do on Fridays?
Oh, I remember that, yeah.
Yeah,
Gwener. Dydd Sadwrn.
Lowry Bowen.
Lowry Bowen.
Lowy Bowen Day.
Dydd Sul.
Dydd Sul.
Like Morlo.
Morlo.
But don't start calling it Dydd Morlo. That's what'll happen. And
You are screaming today.
I know, I'm a bit loud, and
I want whatever you're on.
I'll give it to you.
Those mushrooms.
Got it in my back pocket.
Slug with whiskers.
Mad energy.
Right.
Madach hyd.
Banshee, do we? Anyway.
Iau.
OK de, Alec tried.
Alec tried.
Yeah.
Ydyn nhw, ni hi wyw yn
OK, am rwan, gwrandewch, dwi'n mynd i ganu a gwyliwch chi am join in gyda'r actions, y symudiadau, iawn? Dydd Llun, dydd Mawrth, dydd Mercher, dydd Iau. Where is your liver? Here? Fan hyn?
At the back.
Fan hyn? Where's mine now? Fan
Is
hyn?
it at the back, guys?
Fan hyn? Rhywle?
It's right around there.
Oh, when you right.
Twins in mine
Fel hyn de.
Mine was there.
Yeah, OK. Dydd Llun, dydd Mawrth, dydd Mercher, dydd Iau, dydd Gwener, dydd Sadwrn, dydd Sul. Reit,
Can I come to your shoulder? He said, no.
ydy hi heddiw?
He said, can't
Pa
clap.
ddiwrnod? What day is it today, guys? Pa ddiwrnod ydy hi heddiw?
Dydd Mawr.
Dydd Mawr. So, ers pryd ydych chi yma? When did we get here?
Dydd Gwener.
Dydd Gwener. Ond
No
really?
idea, right?
Na, dwi'n gwybod.
Dim ond dau diwrnod.
So really, dydd Gwener oedd dim dosbarth, it wasn't fel.
No.
So dydd Sadwrn, dydd Sul, dydd Llun. 3 diwrnod. 4 awr, 4 hours, gwers. 8 awr, 12 awr, 12 hours o wersi Cymraeg, iawn? So, beth dyn ni eisiau rwan? So, gen ddim yn lot, really, na. Beth dyn ni eisiau rwan ydy, dwi eisiau chi weiddi, geiriau, words, any words, dych chi'n gwybod, iawn? Diddorol, ardderchog.
Defnydd.
Da iawn.
Defnyddio.
Defnyddio.
That's what I tried to say.
Oh, I thought you said diddorol. Diweddaraf, latest.
Arloesol.
Pioneering.
Antoniaethau.
Da iawn. Give me the English too if you know what it is.
Adventures.
Ventures, da iawn.
Perchnogion.
Oh, da
Lucie, Owen.
Owners, da iawn.
Naturiol.
Eisiau, da iawn. Want.
Gweddi, to shout, is it?
Gweiddi, to shout.
Gweddi.
Gweddi.
Cymwch.
Cymwch.
Crwban.
Crwban.
Cwban.
Tortoise.
Come on.
Cwrw.
Cneifio.
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 To shear.
Madach.
Madar.
Adach.
Baratoi.
Paratoi.
Morleddwyddw.
Morlo.
Madach.
Morleid.
Cyfraf.
Morleider.
Cyfraddwyddw.
Cyfarwyddwr.
Cyfroeddw.
Madarch, da iawn.
Portuguese.
Portuguese.
Celtic.
Bidus.
Don't mention the
Celsic.
Bydysaw.
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 Pwysig.
Pwysig. Rhyddhau.
Pysgodyn wibbly wobbly.
Pysgodyn.
Rhyw.
Wibbly.
Ysgafn.
Ysgafn.
Ysgafn. Da iawn.
Rhywfaint.
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 Ysgafn light.
Blasau.
Rhyw. Blasi.
Blasi.
Dea.
Pefriog.
Light.
Pefrio.
Ysgafn.
Pefrio.
I only remember the one.
Sparkling. Wine tasting.
How do you remember that?
Because,
Pefrio. She drinks a lot.
Well, it's like
Blasis.
Bev from
Blasis.
Gabrielle's
Blasis.
She's very sparkling. She's like, oh, I like them. It's very soft.
so that the bev with the mutation gets you into
That's it.
hair.
Hyder.
And then you're off.
Set Blasi.
Excuse me.
Blasi.
We worked with it, that's all I can say.
Blasi's the
Hyder.
taste.
Eto?
Hyder. Hyder, confidence.
Oh, hyder.
Hyder.
Da iawn, hyder.
Pwysa.
Pwysa.
Wrong.
From yesterday, pwysa ymlaen.
O, pwyso. Pwyso, da iawn.
Cefnyddiol.
Defnyddiol, da iawn.
Cefnyddiol.
Bendith.
What's cefnyddiol?
Bendith. Defnyddiol. Bendith. Achw. Bendith.
Bendith.
Defnyddiol is latest.
Corin.
Corin,
Oh,
da
yeah.
iawn.
No, diwyddaraf is latest.
Cathmoro.
Latest.
Defnyddio.
Defnyddio. To use.
Which one is it, babe?
O, cath marw.
Disgipio.
Gweithio.
Disgipio.
O, reiddiol.
Reiddiol.
David, what's
Originally. Disgipio.
Sgrifio.
No, what you said yesterday about just being the disciples.
O, disgyblion, da iawn.
Disgyblion. Disgyblion.
David.
Disgyblion.
Disgyblion, okay.
David.
Cneifio.
Cneifio.
David.
Dafad. O, dafad.
And what's the plural?
Defaid, William Morgan.
Defaid.
Eto?
Ti eisiau?
Ti eisiau, da iawn. Ti eisiau flapjack, neu?
Neu...
Ti eisiau? Ffrwyth.
Ffrwyth. Ie, neu ffrwyth.
Ffrwyth.
Llath neu dŵr.
Custard leieth, da iawn.
Castell knife or fork?
Yeah.
Castell.
Naif, cylle.
Cylle.
Smooth, smoothio.
Llwyd.
Mine in bod.
Da iawn.
Bod smoothing.
Llwyd.
Smoothio.
Llachar bright, da iawn.
O, seren.
Seren.
Cleiad.
Lleiad.
What's that?
Moon.
Because it's dydd clean, isn't it?
Dydd llun, yeah, like lunar.
Monday.
Lunar, da iawn.
Gwlad.
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 Gwlad. Gwlad. Iolwydd ein gwlad. Tramor yn fyr. I'r fyr o gai. O bareg i'r iaith.
Alfie's going to try. Alfie, come on! Come on!
Ti di llosgi dy benglinia ar y carpet, Gareth? I think that's a good place to end. Oh, and also coming in back. Alfie, faint o'r gloch ydy hi?
O! 11 o gloch.
Oh!